Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. If you're new around here, my name is Danielle, and on this channel we like to take a look at trending hairstyle ideas. So today's video is going to feature a variety of hairstyling options and ideas that you can rock this season. So if you've been looking for something new and fresh to do with your hair, you've come to the right place. If you feel inspired by any of these hairstyles, please be sure to give today's video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and of course you will stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. So a lot of today's hairstyles are going to be of bolder hair ideas, so if you're looking to really do something with your hair that is a little outside of the box, you will definitely enjoy this one. Here we have a tutorial of someone doing a hairstyle on brown and blonde contrasting hair. This is a very popular hair trend, and we're seeing it among all age groups, age ranges. And she also has a really cute bob style. So here her hair is rocked curled. Very cute. She also has some bangs. And then we see someone who decides to switch it up with a very bold red hair color. Another very popular hair trend for 2023. And then of course we have another beautiful hair color combination. So she has a light pink and burgundy here for this one. I love her makeup as well, so cute and fun. And then we have someone rocking the bleached eyebrow trend. So it looks like she had some temporary dye there on the ends. Great way to mix it up. And she has a gorgeous platinum hair shade, loving it and the look with this bob. Very pretty. Then we see someone else who decided to go with the red hair trend. Beautiful, subtle reddish brown shade. And then we see that girl once again styling her bob this time. So it looks like she did a cute little bun with a little faux braid. And then we see someone with bold hair color once again. So she has like orange and copper mixed in. And she's doing a simple blowout for the style. Gorgeous color. I love the mix of this. So chic and stylish. So for the next hairstyle, she has a really pretty texture. The stylist does cut the ends, quite a few inches off. Oh, I love the way her bangs look. The curly texture looks amazing. So it looks like the stylist is just giving her some bangs and cut the hair to about mid-length. Very pretty. Oh, looks like we have someone else going with the copper color red hair trend. Absolutely gorgeous. And this shade is perfect for if you do have red tones. It will look amazing against your complexion. Absolutely stunning. She looks unreal, beautiful. And then we see someone who cuts their hair about mid-length. Beautiful textured lob haircuts. Alright you guys, I hope you have enjoyed checking out today's hairstyles with me and you were able to gain some major inspiration. Don't forget to like today's video, hit that subscribe button, and if you want to see even more hot hairstyle trends and ideas, you can check out this video next.